If you want to check the activation date on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Now in Settings, we can scroll down in order to find the Google option. So let's open it. Next, we're gonna tap on our Google account over here, and you should be able to proceed to Google account by using this button. Wait a couple of seconds. And now over here, we need to proceed to security and sign in. Next, you should be able to find some activities, but we're gonna actually scroll down in order to find your devices section. And in here, we need to select our session on Android devices. And after that, we can find our OnePlus 15 session. So we're gonna select it. And you might need to enter your screen lock password, there we go, or use biometrics in order to continue. And then we should be able to find the first sign-in date. Now keep in mind that this date is relevant only if you signed into your Google account on the first day when you started using the phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.